The Binance homepage appears on the screen. Click the registration link in the pinned comment. On-screen text appears. Step 1. Create an account. The mobile screen illuminates with the Start message. Step 2. Verify your identity. The app guides users to upload identification and unlock account access. The tablet screen illuminates, showcasing the Buy Crypto section on Binance. On-screen text clearly instructs. Step 3. Add payment method. The display demonstrates adding a bank card for seamless transactions. The laptop screen displays. Step 4. Buy Bitcoin. The visuals guide the user through selecting Buy Crypto, choosing Bitcoin. The screen shifts to the selection of Bitcoin, with clear prompts for the next steps. The user is entering the purchase amount and confirming the transaction. An animation displays Bitcoin being securely stored, reinforcing a message of safety and trust. On screen, the words "Store Bitcoin Safely" glow, offering reassurance to investors. Choices shimmer into view, highlighting the decision between Binance and a personal wallet. The animation concludes with happy investing, its tone optimistic and encouraging.